And today we're going to be making sushi. My brother's behind camera and I'm in front of camera. And let's get right into the video. So first, you're going to have to take your rice. We put some Korean oil and salt in it. And then you're just going to want to dump some on this area of the kim. But you don't want to put too much. And if you want to make more than one, you can use this.
Yeah. 이거 해줘.
No, you can use this and it's bigger. So once you got your little things, you can take some cucumbers, you can take carrots, those, and those. And you can put them in, but we're just going to go with rice.
Or you could use French fries to make a mustache.
And then you're going to take it, and it's good to have a plate like this, but you can just use your hands, and just roll that like that, and then smush, and smush.
I need French fries.
Yes, French fries. And then open, and you have sushi.
French fries are better.
Peace. See you all next time. Goodbye.